don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I am in the car already, but I'm late because school called last night to remind us that only the upper school doesn't have school today. If you remember yesterday how excited I was gonna have 3 days to myself, oh, last night it was like a kick in the gut. She doesn't have school at all today. I was like, what? I was so whiny. My husband's like, I'm really sorry. I mean, I think he thought I was gonna break something. I was like, I'll be okay. Anyway, I got another Etsy sale last night to compensate for the fact that my daughter didn't have school today. So I packed those up this morning and I'm on my way to the post office. Consequently, I won't go to pick it till tomorrow. I wanted to get there and finish the booth this morning. And he kept going, you could still go. And I'm like, no, I can't. It just put me off my old schedule. But that's okay. It's okay. You know, we ride the waves. You gotta adjust your sails when the wind shifts. But it was like, it doesn't mean you can't be a total infant when somebody, you know, wrecks your day. I was a total infant last night. I was a total infant. I was just like, it's fine. By this morning, I was kind of over it. I knew I wanted to go to the post office because I didn't get a pickup set up last night. Got the second sale like 10 o'clock last night. So I thought, all right, well, then it's okay because I'll run to the post office with 2 boxes. If it's 1 box, I didn't want to run, but I will run with the 2. I know it defeats the purpose of buying that big mailbox, but it gets me out of the house today too because I'm going to go home and finish that mirror I was working on yesterday and try and get ahead on some projects with the 100 Projects 100 Day Challenge just because Picket is coming up and it's my last Picket right at the end of the 100 Project 100 Days Challenge. You guys, we're so close. So close. It's day 86 for me right now, so day 87 by the time you watch this. And I just can't believe I've done it. I mean, when I said I'm gonna do it, part of my brain was going, I'm gonna miss a lot of days. But I'll still be ahead, you know. I was like justifying, but I did it. I mean, I've done 85 projects. Okay, some of them were getting my booth done. That doesn't count, but it does because those were like massive overhauls of the booth. So those 2 I feel like were like, eh. But I also have finished a bunch of projects that I didn't list. So I am way over 100 projects. And I'm thrilled to be able to get this project out of the way. And at the same time, I feel like I want to keep the pace up because it has spurred sales. It has made me feel more productive. Obviously, I am more productive, but it has made me feel bolstered my enthusiasm for what I do, including setting up the booths. When you have a bunch of brand new stuff to put in, your excitement is a little more because it's like, oh, I can't wait to get this in there. So I'd like to at least keep up, maybe not every day a project, but the majority of my week getting projects done. It's been difficult to keep on top of the blog posts during that time. So I noticed that there was a shift. Like, I was getting more done in the shop, but at the same time, I missed quite a few blog posts because I like to post twice a week. So I missed quite a few blog posts. I did miss a few videos. You guys probably noticed. And my Etsy listings were not getting done. So I need to find a balance in there. And that's what I'm going to be working on after the 100 project. I mean, I'm going to finish out this challenge. I'm going to do it, guys. At this point, I'm not falling down now. So I'm going to get 100 projects under my belt. But after the 100 projects, 100 days, I'm going to have to figure out a balance of how I'm going to get new projects every month and not fall down on everything else. So I'm going to pop into the post office here, drop these boxes off, and then we'll go back to the workshop and work. Back in the she shop. For those of you wondering if I'm keeping up with my kale and fruit smoothies, yes, because it makes me feel better. Not just like psychologically, but my joints don't hurt when I do this, so I'm keeping up with it. I forgot to put honey in this one, so the Greek yogurt's a little sour, but other than that, it's good. It's good. Kale, blueberries, strawberry, cranberry with plain Greek yogurt. I didn't put any oatmeal in it today because I'm late in the day and I don't want to be too full. I want to have lunch. That's what I'm going to eat with the kid. Otherwise, if it was like going to pick it, I put the oatmeal in there to fill me up. I'm still doing this, so I'm going to get to work on that mirror. Totally motivated. Doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to hit it with another coat of paint and then shabby it up. I did the wax resist on it. So where I put the gold leaf underneath, I should be able to just scrape off paint and see gold come through it. It doesn't look too bad, y'all. I'm really, really happy. Let me get started here. Let me get my day started. So I just finished the mirror that I added the appliques to. I'm serious, like a couple bucks here and there, and you can make something that was really plain very pretty. I hope that the vendor who gave me this mirror likes what I did to it, because I had fun doing it. Now it's just a matter of getting all the rest of my stuff. What do I work on next, guys? So much. I'm gonna move this mirror out and get some pictures of it, and then how do you get a picture of a mirror with the reflection? I'm just stressed about that. I'm not a photographer. I unboxed my spray tent. Why didn't I get this like so much sooner? That's done. So now I've got a second project on for the day. I gotta wait for it to dry before I do anything else though. It's huge. When you watch that video, you'll see how surprised and shocked I am when it pops open. It's a genuine reaction. I seriously had no idea it was this big. But that took seconds to paint and I'm so excited. Clearly I had to sort my sprayer out. My nozzle was clogged. I think it's the nozzle that I lost. I had ordered a replacement nozzle because I lost one. And then I think we found it and I just tossed it in the box. And I think the one that I had on there that I was fiddling with was the original one. Because the other one I know is clean. I soak my parts when I do this. But oh my gosh, you guys. What else can I spray white? I want to spray something. Let's spray more stuff. I don't even know what else to spray. I have a hard time. I can't even get out of here right now. If I had to pee, I'm hosed. Because I'm stuck until that's dry. You can't move. There's a cat box on that side. There's shelves on that side. I'm stuck. All right, I'm going to answer some emails because I can do that on my phone.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.